we got to get brick and mortar back on the island.
Yeah.
And other than we're the first ones to break ground and we won't be the first ones open. The beach bar down the street, they're going to actually they broke ground after us, but they're going to be opened up before us. They're building a 3-story, but the second and third floor is actually the residence.
Oh, okay. So Stevens did this one, or is it, who built this?
Fowler Construction.
Fowler. Okay.
Yeah. They're the ones who built Wahoo Willie's.
Oh, okay.
And after Hurricane Ian, we went by, and that building was still standing.
Yeah.
That's when I got them on the hotline. But I can tell you, they build something that is not going to leave.